why you compare to me and you.
Don't worry, Ed. Don't worry, Ed.
What is?
One buck.
Anyway, skip to you.
I feel like, alright. The question for today. What do you look for in a relationship? You know one matter fuck?
Yeah?
Right, Ed. Can't tell a brother upon you.
No problem. Honesty,
Yeah.
loyalty,
Yeah.
respect,
Yeah.
and love.
So no moments.
No what?
More. Like what? She know.
Shannon.
Alright, Shannon, the question for today. What do you look for in a relationship?
Someone who is decent, normal, and someone who can understand me.
Normal, we by normal.
Mean like freaky and overdoing things.
What do you mean overdoing things? What do you mean overdoing? What do you mean overdoing things? Why you hide behind me? What do you mean overdoing things? Come here now, what do you mean by overdoing things? She gone. Overdoing things. What do you mean? Can you tell me? So she don't like freaky people. Oh! Yeah. She's not your type, right? She's not your type, right?
Boy, if you don't get
What's her name?
Tejani.
Alright, Tejani, the question for today. What do you look for in a relationship? They come like say you never in a relationship before, so.
Yeah, I'm looking for in a relationship. Honesty and loyalty.
That's all? No good moments?
Yeah.
What kind of moments?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? We don't get what you mean. What kind of moments?
yeah, boy.
She's not your type, right? Alright, long time on YouTube video, don't it?
Whatever. Yeah, come.
So the question for today, Tita. What do you look for in a relationship?
Trust,
And?
loyalty, respect,
And?
love. And wow.
Yeah, we have more stuff to that, man.
What else?
No, you know, no good moments.
So once you have loyalty and trust and respect, you gotta have good moments.
What kind of good moments?
Then some you can't talk on YouTube.
yeah, boy.
Alright, Tita.
What's your name?
Janelle.
What you look for in a relationship?
Money. Loyalty. Money. Loyalty. Trust. Respect.
No love?
Yeah, love to have boys.
Oh, I can't forget love.
Yeah.
So that's all? Okay. She don't want to broke, man. She's not your type, right? Remember, I do it. She did the one of me. Call me up. She's very rude.
I'm
But
beautiful. Look why you compare to me and you.
don't worry, Ed. Don't worry, Ed.
What is?
One buck.
Anyway, skip to
I
you.
feel like, alright. The question for today. What do you look for in a relationship? You know one matter fuck?
Yeah?
Right, Ed. Can't tell a brother upon you.
No problem. Anyways, when we look for in a relationship that easy.
Can't find no pocket man. I joke, but pocket man about them.
Honesty,
Yeah.
loyalty,
Yeah.
respect,
Yeah.
and love.
So no moments.
No what?
Moments.
Moments?
Like great moments.
Yeah.
Like what?
Romance.
She know.
yeah, boy.
What's your name?
Brittany Williams.
Alright, Britannia. Question for today. Look, what do you look for in a relationship?
Loyalty, honesty, trust, and personality and ambition for like goals and career wise. Yes.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna take all this.
That's it.
What kind of goals?
What kind of goals? In what relationship wise goals?
Yeah, boy.
That's it.
No
Yeah.
moments?
You know there is moments.
What kind of moments? I'm curious now. Curious, what kind of moments?
Good moments, yes.
Meaning?
You can't tell if on camera, you see it. Wow!
Yeah, boy.
Alright. Thanks.
Alright, you're welcome.
Damn and handsome. I'm handsome. It's a from language again. So, I made it to the end of the video. I'm going to come for the camera. I want to my youth. Everybody, I don't want people to see Prince Zach, brother. Boy, Prince Zach. See it, so. Made it to the end of the video. You know what we do? Like, share, and subscribe. You see, destroy the like button. I remember to destroy, sorry. Me give you English, destroy the comment section and tell me how I do. Shut your trap, cameraman. Nobody no business with what I do. You're the least of my problem right now. So look on the view. That's it. You see view, people? The view, my youth, dog, my youth. Over there, so a long road. What's your name, cameraman? Hey, cameraman. The stress. Not gonna lie you. I like that tell. Me say me see man with 100 different gallant.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I hear man, no? You know that them the girl me no want, but I want somebody special. In terms of special, I look for you. Some girl on YouTube probably like you know. man, in terms of special, we look for. We look for nobody. It's a look.